Hello, this is a response to the Household Hackers how to create a speaker. For this we'll need aluminum foil, a plastic bucket, some wires from earphones or anything that ends like this, a shiny penny. If it doesn't shine, the sound will be worse. I cleaned it with cola. I hope that's just as good as ketchup. Some piece of plastic that sticks the penny and the earphone end together. Something like duct tape, but then different. Oh yeah, and an MP3 player. Put the aluminum foil in a plastic bucket like this. I don't know what size has to be on top, so I take the shiny side, so that's good. And then take the penny and the wires. I've got 3 endings, a yellow one, a red one, and what color is it? Blue one. Put that on the penny and stick it with a piece of duct tape or plastic, or how do you call it in English, I don't know, like this. Put that on the top of the aluminum foil bucket like this. Make sure it's not able to move or whatever. Take your MP3 player, plug it in, choose your favorite song if you have one. If you don't have one, take just a song, turn it on, and you should hear something like this. But I don't hear anything, so something went wrong, and I don't know what. And I'm trying this for over 3-4 times now, so I want to know what did I do wrong.